Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make hard honey candy. This easy guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a delicious treat. First, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of honey, 1/4 cup of water, and 1/2 teaspoon of your favorite extract. You will also need a candy thermometer and a prepared surface like a silicone mat. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's start cooking. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine your 1 cup of honey and 1/4 cup of water. Stir this mixture gently over medium heat until the honey is fully dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring to prevent crystallization. Insert your candy thermometer and continue to cook the mixture without stirring until it reaches exactly 295 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage. Once your candy mixture hits 295 degrees Fahrenheit, remove it from the heat right away. This is crucial for achieving the perfect hard candy texture. Now, carefully stir in your 1/2 teaspoon of extract. Be quick, as the mixture will start to cool. Then, immediately pour the hot liquid onto your prepared silicone mat or parchment paper. You can also pour it into molds if you prefer specific shapes. The final step is cooling and finishing your delicious honey candy. Let the poured candy cool completely at room temperature. This usually takes about 30 minutes, or until it is firm and brittle. Once fully hardened, you can easily break it into small, bite-sized pieces. Store your beautiful homemade hard honey candy in an airtight container to maintain its freshness for up to 2 weeks. Enjoy your sweet creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.